Okay, today I'm going to show you how to alter a cup, and this alteration is if you have a gap or a gaping at the neckline, but the lower cup still fits properly. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a dart out of this upper cup, and we're going to start at the apex. And we're just going to draw a line. And then we're going to see just how far we need to close it. So say you need to close it 2 centimeters, which is just under an inch. Okay, now we're just going to snip into the seam allowance here. You don't want to cut all the way through because you want to make a hinge. Okay, so we're going to take out a dart. Okay, so you can see we've taken out a dart, we've got our little hinge here, and we're just going to close that up. And just tape it down. And you may need to true the seam up here. And in order to do that, I like to add a little extra paper. So we're going to go from point to point. And you will need to true up the seam allowance as well. And I like to use this handy dandy ruler to do that. And from there, you're just going to cut off this extra paper. And there you go. That's how you do the alteration to adjust for a gaping neckline or a gap in the neckline. You are going to take a dart out and retrue your seams.